Is the dark mode setting not working on Instagram on your iPhone? In this video, we'll provide some possible solutions to fix it. Begin by inspecting your iPhone's automatic dark mode settings. Head to Settings and scroll down to Display and Brightness. If the automatic toggle is on, switch it off and manually enable the dark mode toggle. Close the settings and head back to Instagram to see if the problem is solved. If Instagram still appears in light mode, force quit and relaunch the app. Swipe up on your iPhone's home screen to bring up the background app window. Swipe up again to remove Instagram and relaunch it after a few seconds. Ensure your Instagram app is up to date with the latest version. To check, go to the App Store, tap on your profile icon, and under Upcoming Automatic Updates, spot Instagram. If the latest version is available, update it. If you still can't find the dark mode setting on Instagram, your iPhone might be the culprit. In this case, check if any software updates are available. Go to Settings, tap on General, and navigate to Software Update. Let your iPhone check for updates, and if a new software version is available, tap on Update Now. These hacks will surely ignite the dark mode setting for you. Craving more tech magic? Hit that subscribe button and dive into one of these specially crafted videos just for you.